Okay guys, so it is time to paint the bumper. So I decide to paint the bumper first. I will bake it and then I will paint hood and fenders. I will have much more space to, squeeze everything here. So this is the first coat. And now I will apply a second coat and if necessary third. I will show you, see, some rough, because I am painting without sealer, and if you use sealer you use less base, so that's why I will use 3 coats of base, I think. So let's time to put a second coat. So guys, some magic happened, because usually I have to do a correction, do second time. I have some dirt, but at this point I think the bumper looks very nice, and I think first time it came out perfect. I am very happy. So guys, I think the bumper came out really nice. There is no dirt, maybe one here and there, but only one for entire thing, so I will leave it without polish and I will put it on car, because I will do some correction, on the car. But overall I think it looks very nice. So it have to cure, dry, and then I will be painting rest. So see you guys. What's up? As you can see, I am in a spray booth and I F-word this up, you know? So listen, I have to show you this place. Now I am sanding this place, and what's happened? When I was painting, I use a fade out thinner because I want to spray the fade out thinner in one place, and accidentally the one droplet left here and burn through clear and base. That's why I have to redo it, the entire hood. As you can see, the fender is okay, but I have to polish the fender out because here was some dirt. So, as always, I want to be fair and honest with you, and if I messed up something, I will show you this. Not everything will go, you know, smooth and without problems. I want to do that. I want to do without problems, but sometimes shit happens like this, and I have to redo it. Okay guys, so it is time to repair this thing. So as you see now, such a small spot, and what I have to do to deal with it. And now I will use sealer, I will seal it, and then I will paint the entire hood. And I wasn't happy from this fender because there was some such a strange thing on the clear. I had to redo it, only the clear. So this thing is sanded, and here is also the hinges because I forgot to paint the hinges. Okay, so as you can see, everything is painted. I'm very happy. Now it has to dry. There is some dirt on the hood because I didn't clean the chamber here. I didn't clean the spray boot, but I think it is not so bad. I have to, you know, do a small polish and it will be nice. So the middle part is fixed. You see. And I am very happy with that. So now I will put everything on the car. Car is ready for the body shop. They don't have time in this week, so I think I will drive to them in the next week or so. So I will be updating. So thank you for watching and see you all guys to the next time. Please leave the thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, I love you. Bye!